with paper, paper, and more paper. And with a hodgepodge of overloaded, often redundant data systems, some over 30 years old, we still manage to get work done and deliver a quality product. But the cost of operating this way is just too high to be competitive. So we're doing something about it. Through a variety of corporate-wide initiatives, we're moving toward a factory of the future, developing more efficient, integrated, common management systems across the entire corporation. Hello, I'm Donna Race, and we'll explore one of those initiatives here in St. Louis. We'll also have Gene Adam with Innovations in this edition of Flight Times TV. There are over 27 different planning systems at McDonnell Douglas Aerospace in St. Louis. There is no one source where managers can go to get information they need to determine demand for parts and assemblies, to efficiently schedule production and manage inventory. Over the years, we've created informal, very forgiving systems and processes to give us enough latitude to get work done on time. But they're full of excess inventory and cycle time, and that drives up costs. What's needed is one integrated system that operates from a single database, a formal, structured system to change the way we do business. Bill Duncan is leading the program to implement one called IMAX.
IMAX means Integrated Manufacturing Control Systems. And it's more than just systems, it's changes in processes here. In fact, a lot of people when they think about IMAX think of new computers and new software, and all of that is included in what we're doing here on IMAX. But the fundamental thing we're doing on IMAX, the most important thing, and the thing I hope people will remember and instill in themselves, is we're changing the way we do business. Over 109 of the major business processes here that run McDonnell Douglas, the way we operate and manage our factory floor day to day, are really going to be changed. They're really going to be improved. We've stepped back, looked at all of the major business processes from master scheduling through shop floor control and inventory management, and we've lifted out a lot of the non-value added activities and a lot of the cycle time, and we've really concentrated on making it more effective and a lower cost kind of a scenario.
In addition to streamlining processes, the implementation of IMAX will bring together up-to-date information from a number of other systems throughout the organization. It will incorporate data from computer-aided process planning, product management, supplier management, parts costing, and inventory systems, to name a few. The manager won't have to search through stacks of reports and different computer screens to plan work. He can focus on running the shop floor.
In an IMAX environment, you have a computer sitting in front of you, and all of the planned work orders are on that computer in order, in the order we're supposed to run them in. And as changes occur on the shop floor, as parts are scrapped, as demand changes from our customer, those changes are reflected dynamically and in real time. And so at any given point in time, you can walk to that computer, print off the next work order, and it truly is the next thing you're supposed to do.
Bill Duncan says that for the first time in a long, long time, managers will be able to really believe the dates on work orders on the shop floor. But to fully benefit from IMAX, it will require discipline to operate to the dates and information in the system.
When a part is supposed to be started today, we need to start it today. When a part's supposed to be completed today in the system, we must complete it today. When we scrap a part, that information has to get back into the system immediately. Those adjustments have got to be made real time in the system in order for everybody to be able to believe the data in the system and operate to it. And only when we have the combination of those very powerful tools and disciplined adherence to the system will we get the kind of benefits that we're looking for and that we need to stay really profitable.
IMAX is a materials requirement planning system. Nothing new to the aerospace industry. Other companies have had them for over a decade. But the implementation of IMAX at McDonnell Douglas is one of the largest in history. And when you change 109 of your major business processes along with it, it means a lot of training.
We have constructed and are deploying over 200,000 hours of training and education associated with IMAX. Most of that training and education is going to be available on computers. It's computer-based training. That offers us a lot of advantages. It takes about 30% of the training time out that's required from a classroom situation. And the other thing is it puts the training kind of down where we need it, where people work.
A generic IMAX system is already operating on the JDAM program. A complete system will be deployed first as a pilot site on the T-45. The goal is to have IMAX on all St. Louis aircraft programs by the end of 1998. In addition to improving the competitiveness of the shop floor, the benefits will be significant.
Right now, we believe that we can take over $50 million out of inventory as a result of the IMAX implementation here in St. Louis. We believe that we can eliminate the need to maintain in-house over 4 million lines of computer code. We're going to eliminate over 3,000 computer systems that currently support production operations here. And all of us here on the IMAX program are really excited about what we're just about to achieve.
In our next edition, we'll continue to explore the factory of the future. We'll look at what we're doing to create a paperless factory floor with Shop Floor 2000. And we'll look even further ahead into the world of virtual reality and what it can bring to design and manufacturing.